Pirmā diena ceļojumā. Rubrika Edžus ceļo.
Esam paņemvežos.
Viņš melo, vēl neviens nav mūs paņēmis, bet 3 būs. 3 kāds mūs kārtīgi paņems. Čau, tomēr tikām ar stopiem un atbraucām uz Viļņu. Mēs esam Viļņā. Tagad iesim meklēt kādu, atradīsim, kam parādīt triku.
Tā, mēs redzam baznīcu. Šī baznīca ir baznīca, kurā agrāk dzīvoja grieķu dievi. Pirms viņi pārveicās uz Olimpu kalnu.
Kāds zina?
Es zinu vēsturi.
Julita, I'm Edžus. And what's your name?
John.
John. Hi, John. Okay, so please shuffle cards. Just shuffle. Take cards. Just shuffle. Yeah. Okay. And just take one out. Just take a card.
Choose one.
Choose one, yeah.
One?
Choose one. Only one. Choosing one. That's the choosing one, yeah. Keep it in mind. Watch it. Watch the card. Okay. And place it somewhere around here. Okay. Place it. And keep that card in mind. Okay. And watch. I'm gonna watch my hands. I'm gonna just go like this, and one card somehow jumps out of the deck, and that's your card, right?
Yeah.
All the cards are different. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Eurūt, gribi banānu? Nē. Dīvaini. Tāds mērķis, bet negribi banānu. Tiekamies rītā.